Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a zip file on my iPhone 17 Pro Max. Some provide full guide. Simply at first open photo apps. I'm just select any photo to make zip file. Select through item to make zip file. Press on to share option. At first move this image to my photo gallery to my file apps. Press on save to file. Select any folder or create new folder. So I can create new folder. Press on three dot to new folder for zip file. Press on save and save. Now successfully transfer this image, my photo gallery, to file apps. Press on for zip file I'm recently create. Okay. Press on three dot to select. Press on three dot, showing it to compress. And now successfully create zip file. Tap on to open to unzip. This is my zip file and tap on to unzip. So that's how you can easily create this.